Okay, welcome. Okay, 7.5 solutions of systems of inequalities. Okay, so we're going to go solutions to do variable inequalities and also graphing. Okay, you learn how to identify solutions to a system of inequalities and then graph a system of inequalities. So last time we did just graphing one inequality. So now we're going to do a system. So let's see how these works. Okay, summer cash. Sarah is selling bracelets and earrings to make money for a summer vacation. The bracelets cost $5. Earrings cost $4. She needs to make at least $400. Write an inequality to represent the income from jewelry sold. So just like last time, we're going to set up our categories to create an inequality, then solve for Y to graph. So our categories, right? We have bracelets, and then we have earrings, and then we also have money. So bracelets was 5, right? So 5x, we can call it. Earrings, so we're going to add earrings cost 4 per earring, so 4y. That's going to be equal to $400. So that's our equation, right? $5 per bracelet, $4 per earring, and we want to make a total of $400. So we want to make at least $400. So we need to make an inequality: 4x plus 5x plus 4y, at least, right? So 400 and above. So we want it to be greater or equal to $400. And this is what we're going to graph. Okay, so in order to graph this, we need to solve for y, right? So solve for y. So always subtract 5x to both sides. So we have 4y is greater or equal to negative 5x plus 400, right? They're not like terms, so leave them separate. And we always divide by our coefficient, right? So we subtract 5x, divide 4. So we have y is greater or equal to negative 5 over 4x plus 100. And this is what we want to graph right here. And we tell our y-intercept is 100. Our slope is negative 5 over 4. Okay, so we're going to graph this out. So we need bracelets is our x-axis, right? So this is bracelets. And then we have earrings. So earrings is here. Right, and we have to go up to 100 because that's our y-intercept. So we have to go 100. So let's go by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Perfect. And we can do the same thing on the bottom. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So our y-intercept is 100. So we're going to start at 100. Right, so we start at 100 here on our y-axis. Then we're going to go down 5, right 4. And since both are same intervals, like by tens on the x and the y-axis, we can just count by tens. Right, so we can go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. So we're subtracting down 50, right 40, right 5 over 4. Let me do it again. Down 50, right 40, right there. And then we can make a line. So that's our line right there for our situation. And we want it to be greater than, right? Because we want it to be greater than $400. So in order to make it greater, because we want to make more, we have to just shade above, right? So we shade everything above our line. And that's going to represent greater than our line right there. Yeah, and then graph the inequality, identify a solution. So any point above our line is a solution. So let's take this point right here, 70, 60. That's right, 70, 60 is a solution. So 70 bracelets and 60 earrings will make more than $400. And that's our goal, to make more than 400. So any combinations of bracelets and earrings above that line will earn more than $400. Okay, so next, what if Sarah predicts that she'll sell more than 50 bracelets. Sell more than 50 bracelets. Write an inequality to represent this situation. So you sell more than 50 bracelets. 50 bracelets is X, right? So if your X or your bracelets is greater than 50, that would be your inequality. So we're going to graph the two inequalities and shade the intersection. So both of them at the same time. So X is greater than 50. So your X greater than 50 is right here. So this is our X50. So greater than that is going to be a dashed line right through there. And greater than that is going to be everything to the right. Yeah, so we're going to shade everything to the right. So everything to the right here. And you can see there's going to be one area that's double shaded. Right, so that one area that's double shaded, that is our solution. So everything in here, this double shaded area is your solution that will satisfy both inequalities at the same time. Okay, so identify a solution to the system, anything within the double shaded area, like right here, that's 60, 90. Right, so how many bracelets and earrings can Sarah sell? 60 bracelets and 90 earrings. Right there. Okay, anything within there. You cannot do here because it's less than 50 bracelets. Right? You cannot do anywhere in here because it's less than 50 bracelets, even though it's shaded, but it has to be shaded twice to be a solution. Yes, when we're graphing, shade, right? Shade in the color blue for the solution, less than or equal to 2x plus 3. So blue here. So here's 2x plus 3. Less than this line is everything below. All this, everything below. And then red will be less than negative 4x plus 5. So everything less than will be here for this line. So this double shaded area is our solution. So everything in here is our solution. Okay, so explain your answer. The solution, the double shaded area, is the solution set. So any point within there is a solution. Double shaded area. Are both included? No. So y is less than or equal to, right? So this one, line is included. This one right here, not included. Let's do an example. Okay, we have a system, right? We have two or more inequalities. That's the system. The overlap of the shaded region represents the solution. So we're going to graph each one. So graph the first one, right? So we're going to graph this one first. So I have y-intercept is 2, so we start there. Our slope is 3, so we go up 3, right 1, right, plus 3, plus 1. And then let's go the other way, same pattern. It's greater than, so it's going to be a dashed line. And we shade above. So everything above this line, we shade it. Okay, so that's the first one. Then we go on to the next one. So this one we start at negative 2. So we start at negative 2. Our slope is 2/5, so up 2, right 5. Right there. Follow the pattern the other way. And this is less than or equal to, so it's going to be a solid line. Like that. And it's less than, so we shade everything below. So everything below this line is shaded right there. And you notice your double shaded area is right here. So that is your solution, right in there. Okay, so next one. So y, first one, greater or equal to negative 2x plus 4, right? So we start at our y-intercept 4. Use our slope negative 2, so down to right 1. Down to right 1. Follow the pattern. And it's greater than or equal to, so it's going to be a solid line. And then we shade above. So shade everything above here. So shade that. And then we do another. So this one has 0 out here, plus 0. So our intercept is 0. And then 2/3, we went up 2, right 3. Up 2, right 3. Follow the pattern. And that is greater or equal to, so it's going to be solid line again. We shade above. Right, so shade everything above that line. And then our double shaded area right here is our solution. So everything in this double shaded area is our solution.